This is Amelia from Fear Frontier, here to deliver you your delicious dose of disturbing. Did you know that the chainsaw was originally invented to aid in childbirth? John Aitken and James Jeffrey invented a prototype. It was used to split the mother's pelvis to aid the child going through the birth canal. It is gruesome to think of the large tool that we know of today as the chainsaw, cutting into the womb, ripping through bone and skin. However, this prototype was just a little bit smaller, but the pain still remained.